If you want to create your first deep learning application for classifying the contents of an image, you've already trained a model and would like to evaluate its performance, in this quick tips episode, you will learn how. Keep watching! Hi there! I'm Manuel Gutierrez from thelighthouse.co, and I make videos that help you learn about different programming topics like AM, Docker, TensorFlow, Unity, and more. So if you're new here, hit the subscribe and the bell notification buttons below so you don't miss a thing. Let's start! This video is part of the ASL classification series where you'll implement a simple deep learning model using TensorFlow and Keras for classifying images. First, we define the problem that we want to solve, identifying hand signs for the American Sign Language ASL. Then, we collect or download some data representing examples of what we want to learn how to classify. Images of hands representing the ASL fingerspelling signs. We define and train a model that can capture, learn, and classify the visual data. We evaluate the performance of the model to see how well it is classifying images. This video. Finally, we use the trained model for predicting hand signs. Don't forget to join the free mini course in the description below. In this video, for the Deep Learning ASL classification series, I will take the already trained multi-class classification model and evaluate its performance. By looking at the text output from the previous video, we can already see that the model was improving. We can see here a couple of things. We have the loss and accuracy for when the model is being trained, and the loss and accuracy for when the model is being validated, so that you can see the model's performance at each epoch. You can start doing that by checking the values for the loss after each epoch. You will see here that the value gets smaller and smaller on each iteration. So it seems that the errors committed by the model are decreasing. But from the loss alone, it's really hard to understand how good the model is getting. When we were compiling the model, we specified accuracy as its metric so that we could use it for better judging its performance. Accuracy represents the percentage of correct answers, with 0 or 0%, meaning all predictions were wrong, 1 or 100%, meaning all predictions were true or accurate, and, for example, 0.9642 or around 96%, meaning 96 out of 100 predictions were accurate, or around 4 out of 100 were predicted with the wrong label. For our particular model, you can see that its accuracy is increasing, meaning that with each subsequent epoch, it's getting more answers correctly. Now, looking at those values in text format is useful, but it's also hard to identify the overall performance. So to visualize training results, let's use matplotlib. First, create two plots. One with the training and validation accuracy, and another with the training and validation loss. Finally, show the plots. From the accuracy plot, we can see that the model is indeed improving over time by getting better and better at identifying more signs correctly for both training and test sets. To evaluate the performance of this model and have an idea of what can be done to improve, first, start from how well human experts would perform at this task, which I think, at least for this dataset, should be at 100% accuracy. Then, if we check the results from the training process, we have training performance at 99% accuracy, which is good. But the validation accuracy is at 96%, meaning that our model seems to have some problems generalizing for images that it hasn't seen before as part of the training set. The plot for the loss shows a similar behavior, where its values are showing improvement by, in this case, getting smaller and smaller with each epoch. In the next video, I'll use the model for predicting the label for a couple of images and talk about some of the problems with the current model. Awesome! Congratulations and thanks for watching! You can join the free mini course associated with this video by clicking on the link in the description below. Share any comments or suggestions about the series or future topics. And if you like the video, also hit the like button below.